as a place of sightings. They took.
Here are the witnesses. They are excited by this sighting, quite unique.
Hola, perro.
And also the dog. Now this is in China.
July 22nd, 2009. We have the same kind of total solar eclipse that started everything in Mexico, July 11th, 1991. This series occurs every 18 years and 11 days. It means that after July 11th, 1991, 18 years later, 2009, and 11 days to July 22nd, we would have the same eclipse. In Mexico lasted 6 minutes and 54 seconds. In China, 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Happened exactly the same. People went out to see the eclipse and they recorded UFOs.
佢就開始閃，用肉眼睇到開始閃，有啲光有睇，咁樣咧佢一直都喺度飛，直至到我影得最後一張相之後。
The Chinese government took all these images and they promised to give an answer in 1 year. I don't know why they will take a year to have an answer of something that is so obvious. But for the first time, this is an official promise. I don't know if they will keep this promise, but we can see these objects somehow similar to those recorded in Mexico on the same event. What this means? It means that these intelligences use these kind of events to present themselves. Are they markers? Because after this happened in China, the same kind of phenomenon started in China. That is a flap. We can remember very fast the eclipse in Mexico. We can see now the old cameras that we were using 18 years ago in Mexico, the VHS cameras, if you remember that.
This was an historic event that began the amazing Mexican UFO way, July 11, 1991, and there it is.
This is David Arreguin footage, the first that was presented after we presented this in television. This video changed my life because when I presented this in television, so many other people gave me videos and I couldn't get away from this phenomenon. I was trapped by it. And until now, I am still receiving videos. This was the second video, the same object. Then some people said, oh, has to be Venus. Has to have an explanation. However, fortunately, we had a third video that I believe proves that this doesn't have a conventional explanation. You can see both. And now this is the third video. And please watch how the object is very near a dot, which we think is Venus. The camera goes down. When it goes up, the dot is not there. The dot is above the object. Here you have it, okay? It's two dots, as a matter of fact, which I think are Venus and Mercury. But then, when the object moves and the camera moves, the dot is not there. The dot is here. Then it proves that the object in 3 minutes moved very far away from the dots. And for that reason, this cannot be considered Venus. And from then on, we have so many sightings in Mexico. Okay, we continue through the year in the world. Antonio Ursi again now downtown Milan, and we can see now again a fleet in Milan. The same spheres,
just like in Mexico, the phenomena, and it was recorded also by the TV news cameras.
Oh yeah, it was
By the media.
recorded by the Ray Television.
Look, like there, Ray Television. So there is no mistake. This is a real UFO fleet in Italy, in Milan.
I think are the same objects that were observed in Second World War. We have another fleet in Mexico City, again, 29 of September. Not very clear, they are very high, but they are there.
City Noticias de las 8.
November 20th, now it's in Bogota, in Colombia. In Mexico, people are not amazed anymore. No, nothing happens. Oh, we have a big sight. Oh, yeah, one more time, and that's it, you know. No problem. In Colombia, now it's still big news, you know.
Míralos ahí. Hay dos.
In this UFO fleet caused certain commotion, stir.
2 days later, in Metepec, Pedro Hernandez, again, the same man who recorded May 22nd, he was recording this airplane. He knows, he likes to go record airplanes because he says that many times, close to the airplanes, you
And there
can
it
see.
is. There it is, a UFO. And look at that. So
A
intense
very
light.
energetic object.
These are the actual UFO sightings that we're having in Mexico City, among other things. But wait, because what you are going to see next is extremely weird and bizarre. Jaime and I are very disconcerted. But this is another fleet.
This is another fleet, 5 of December.
Black
2009.
objects. Maybe in this fleet happens the same thing, that the sun is on the
The
back.
sun is on the other side. When the
That's
sun
why
is
you
on the
can
other
see it.
side,
Yes.
they look black.
But as you can see, the formation all the time is preserved, no mistake, and the UFO
And
fleet.
now,
But
as-
wait,
As Santiago said, this is really, really weird.
you know, this sighting, we are very disconcerted by this thing in the sky.
What is this?
We don't know how to call it. Just watch carefully, and it's morphing itself. What can it be? This is in Mexico City. A video by one of our most respected sky watchers. But look, the lights and the strange dark, like cloud or like strange substance around. But I mean, these are the kind of sightings that we are having now in Mexico.
It's like a cloud and it has energy inside, or what? Or what?
And it's huge. So we are now having strange sighting of an unknown kind.
This is really unexplainable. And this was recorded a week ago, 20th of February.
At certain times, it looked like a flying humanoid. You remember the flying humanoid sightings, also very weird phenomena. And sometimes the light is so intense, we think it has its own light. It's not the sunlight which reflecting, but
Probably
again,
you remember the one that was recorded in 2005 by Horacio Roquet,
this is the most
another flying
mysterious.
humanoid.
The most mysterious of all flying humanoids. Look at that. And it has some kind of device on the feet and also a light. So what do you think?